2007 Nissan 350z. What we got done on it for you guys? Stock converters there and there. Then it wires into a single right there. Then we cut everything off over there. So you guys can see the resonator and the muffler. Put a vibrant bottle muffler. We'll have a link in the description. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then 2.5-inch pipe all the way back into a single blast pipe out the side right there. Today's blast pipe day. We've done like 3 already today. And like always, guys, please subscribe, comment, and tell me what you guys think of the setup. Hope you guys like it. There it is. 2008 Nissan 350z. What we got done on it, we'll show you guys what another shop did, and he brought it back to us and we cleaned it up for him. It's got true duals, high flow stock converters there and there. And then it's got true duals. We true dualed it for him with an X pipe, a true flow X pipe there and there. We'll have a link in the description for the X pipe, hopefully. Then it's got 2 1/4 pipe all the way back into his stock tips there and there. This is the exhaust we cut off. There's the factory Y. And then I don't know what muffler shop he took it to. He bought it like that, so that is so wrong. You never do this to these cars because it ruins the flow, the look, everything. It just threw off everything on it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, subscribe, and comment. We appreciate everything you guys do with us. And thanks for making us as big as we're growing so fast. So, and please share. Thank you. That is so loud. I love it. There's sound decibels. Again? Go check it out. This is everything we cut off. There's the resonator, the intermediate pipe, and the muffler we cut off. Blast pipes! Blast pipes! That sounds so good. I like it. Nissan 350z. Let's go. That's better. Those VQs never disappoint. There's sound decibels. 120, bro. Man, that's nice. And you see how smooth it is? There's no more of that ugliness that was with the other ones. We should have recorded it before. Show them the difference in sound where it flows into a Y pipe, you know, all wrong. Because it was all flowing into one side of the Y pipe. Now it's clean sound, you know? $350Z. That sounds so good. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. Rev it! See how loud it is? Oh, this is... do that to yours, Johnny? He's like, no. It's got some nice wheels on it too. A nice stats. Huh?
Hear my music.
You like to hear your music? Wow. It's so loud. 350Z. True duals, X pipe, 2 1/4 pipe, all the way back. He's gonna do us a nice launch, he says. Let's see if he does. Nice! Hell yeah, beast mode! That sounds so good. And that's clean. You can still hear it.